So a lot of people kind of shy away from search engine optimization because they think it's, too hard. It's something that they don't want to put a lot of time into, or it's just I don't know anything about it. Search engine optimization is actually a lot simpler than it seems. There's an age-old kind of thing that's been going within the marketing world, that the best place to hide a dead body is page 2 of Google. So 67% of searchers don't go beyond the first 5 rankings. So that's not the first page, the first 5 websites that come up on the first page. Most people don't go past that on a search engine results page, like Google. I think it's only about, I think it's the first 87% don't go past the first page as a whole. So 67 don't go past the first 5, and 87 don't go past the first page. So it's very important for you to get up there, but it doesn't need to be complicated. The main things is just make sure you use keywords across all your site pages, your titles, and your page descriptions. You can do this in whatever system you're using, even if you're using just a basic Wix or Squarespace website, or a very basic WordPress theme website. You can just add these keywords in and make them consistent, make them effective, and don't make them too simple. If you are a burger, a burger company that makes burgers, don't just make your keywords burgers. Make them burgers, best burgers in London, or vegan cheeseburgers London. Make them very specific, so that way it gives you higher chance to maybe not be the top in burgers, but when someone's searching for vegan burgers in London, you can come up a lot higher. So also, another great way to kind of build your SEO is to create blogs. Blogs are a great way because you can post them across other platforms, like social media. And it's a great way for people to learn a little bit, put yourself as an expert in the industry, show off and give that value of what you know to your customers. And then that will show up on search engines because they're higher search than people just searching for your website. And then once they're on your website, you can then add in something within that page, maybe at the bottom, that pushes them into another part of the website. And then you can eventually make them into a sale or a customer or a lead. So there's a lot of different things you can do with SEO. If we wanted, we could do an entire webinar or 7 just on SEO. But that's the key thing. The other basic principles is make pages primary for the users, not for search engine. Don't do what is called black hat SEO. Don't try and hide stuff, hide keywords in white on a white background. Just make it for the users. If people, and it's what they are, and it's value-based first, as we say with a lot of our marketing stuff, then people will click on it, people will use it, people will stay for a while, and then the search engines, their algorithms aren't as complicated as it makes it out. They'll realize that, and they'll send more people. As I said, don't deceive your users. Don't use black hat SEO. Don't do, don't add in things just to get those search engine things. Don't, put a title of a page as something that doesn't have that on the page. Avoid tricks intended to improve your search engine rankings. So as I said, think about, does this help my users? And would I do this if if search engines didn't exist? So I think if search engines didn't exist and I didn't have to worry about that, what would I put on my website to give the best value? Think about what makes your website unique, valuable, and most importantly as well is engaging. You want people to interact and engage with your site.
If you liked our content, don't forget to press the thumbs up button.
And if you find it valuable, press subscribe.
And don't forget to press the bell icon to see when we're doing our next videos.